So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the regular text message, the SMS, instead of iMessage. So we're going to open up the text message conversation. As you can see, I'm texting myself currently in here. And what you're going to do is at first click on the text field, type in the message. And if you send it normally, if you just click on the send button, it's going to be sent as iMessage with the read receipts and so on. So what I want you to do is to go to Control Center and then disconnect yourself from the internet. Either disable the cellular data and also disconnect the Wi-Fi so you don't have the internet connection, but you have the regular cellular connection, right? And then now if you type the message in, right, and then click on send, you can see that it kind of struggles to send it, obviously, because we don't have the internet connection. You can see that it's loading up. But in this process, if you hold it down on the text bubble, you get to click on the send as text message. And when you click on it like this, you can see that it sends as a text message, as SMS, and then not over iMessage. So naturally, the feature exists only, or is intended to be only as a backup to iMessage. So as you can see, again, you can hold down on it and send it as a text message. So yeah, if you re-enable the internet connection, if you, for example, set up the cellular data, you can see that the message will be sent as iMessage. So that's like the primary way. And yeah, the SMS can only work as a backup tool. So that's kind of how it works. Let me know if I managed to explain it properly. Subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.